Hi everyone. So I have the pleasure today to introduce you Dr. Antony Karelis from the UCAM Exercise Physiology Department. He's my mentor of research, and I've learned a lot with him regarding all the process of how to design the study, how to go through ethic committee and analyze the data and up to publication. So it's really thanks to Dr. Karelis that I've been initiated to the fascinated area of research. So hi Anthony, it's a big pleasure for us to be with you today.
Thank you, Valerie. It's a pleasure working with you. I believe that you are a very fun, enthusiastic person to work with, and I look forward to continue working with you in the future.
Thank you so much. And Anthony, you've been professor at the UCAM Exercise Physiology Department for the past 11 years with more than 100 publications. Your areas of specialty is exercise physiology, diabetes, and obesity. Can you tell us a little bit about the questions you're investigating right now with your postgraduate students, Anthony?
Sure. One of the projects that we're currently running with one of my colleagues is that we're looking at different types of physical activity or exercise training programs that could have effect on your cognitive function, that is on how your memory works, your attention, the process of information from your brain to go get information. So we're looking at which type of exercise is best to do that. We're also looking with another graduate student of mine, doctoral student, the different factors that can affect academic performance in high school students. So we're looking at physiological factors such as physical activity, your cardiorespiratory fitness levels, your muscle strength. We're looking at psychosocial factors, cognitive factors, social demographic factors, so many of them that we're following these students with to be able to see what is the number one factor that predicts academic performance. And currently now we're finishing up on a study that we looked at the effects of a multi-component behavioral study to see how we can reduce meat consumption in young men. So that study is ongoing, and we're about to finish it soon in a couple of months, and we hope to have the results for that.
That's awesome. And also that I know that you've been conducting studies in the past regarding exercise training. What are the current recommendations, Anthony, regarding exercise training for general population right now?
Okay.
Is there a form better than the other?
Yeah. Okay, so the recommendation right now for endurance training or aerobic training that we recommend to the general population is to do 30 minutes of physical activity per day, 5 times a week, so a total of 150 minutes of physical activity at a moderate intensity for endurance training. If you do it at a higher intensity, this thing is the amount of minutes is cut in half, so it would be 3 times per week at 25 minutes, so a total of 75 minutes per week when it's done at a high intensity. Also to that, you have to add to do some resistance training or muscle training. The recommendation is usually 8 to 10 exercises, and each of those exercises to do 2 to 3 sets with 8 to 10 repetitions.